Welcome everyone. Today, I'm excited to share my journey into the fascinating world of movie trailer creation using AI technology. But first, let's see the creation.
35 victims and counting. The city's heart is stained with their blood.
Christ's sake, it's relentless, Harper. Stay ahead of the chaos. But the press, what the hell do I say about this?
You still believe you're in control.
Is there a serial killer on the loose?
I cannot confirm or deny such a notion at this stage.
In the heart of the city, Detective Harper, the secrets, they flicker like a flame. This is a dance, Detective. A dance, blurring the lines between truth and illusion. Waiting for the one who dares to take the sail and burn. Burn in eternity.
In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes of how I crafted a captivating movie trailer, and more importantly, I'll reveal the various ways you can potentially turn this skill into a lucrative opportunity. So, let's dive in. Step 1 in crafting an AI-generated movie trailer begins with brainstorming and gathering a compelling idea and script. Here's where ChatGPT, an AI language model, comes into play. Just type in your idea for movie trailer. For example, I want to make a short movie trailer with Denzel Washington and blah blah blah. By interacting and collaborating with ChatGPT, I was able to ideate and refine the storyline, dialogue, and overall concept for the trailer. But remember, take your time with this and collaborate with ChatGPT until you are satisfied with your script and scenes. Moving on to step 2. Once the script was ready, the next phase involved generating prompts for image scenes. ChatGPT helped in formulating descriptive prompts that outlined the specific scenes, emotions, and visual elements needed to bring the script to life. Now, step 3 incorporated the creation of images. Utilizing Leonardo AI, an AI-powered image generation tool, I transformed those prompts into vivid and captivating images. First of all, you need to log into your account. Once you logged in, your screen will look like this. Now, when you want to generate images from scratch, all you need to do is head down to AI image generation. And the key idea of how this works is, on the left-hand side, you got all the settings to help you adjust quality, resolution, number of images, etc. Then, on the right-hand side, you enter your prompt and you can choose your model and style of image. For example, when you generate your scenes and prompts in collaboration with ChatGPT, simply copy each prompt and paste it to Leonardo AI. If you are not satisfied with the images, you can always play with models and styles within the Leonardo AI. Also, you can tell ChatGPT to write more detailed prompts. It all depends on your own creativity, so take your time and create those images best you can. These images played a crucial role in visually narrating the storyline and evoking the intended emotions within the trailer. Remember, if you want the same characters in all scenes, you need to write a prompt in Leonardo AI with specific actor. For example, for my trailer I used Denzel Washington as main figure, Detective Harper, and next to each prompt for scene with Detective Harper, I wrote Denzel Washington in parentheses. I did this with every actor in my trailer. Just to note, Leonardo AI will never create the real Denzel Washington, but similar character. And if you use this trick, Leonardo AI will always create the same character in every scene. After this, time is to create voices of main actors in trailer. There are different actors, so I need to create different voices. For this, I use 11 Labs. For me, the best tool out there so far. You can use it for free, and you will have 10,000 characters per month. Just play with it and pick the best voices you think are suitable for actors and create them. Finally, in step 4, it was time to turn these images into a seamless video sequence. Leveraging the capabilities of Gen 2 Runway, a video generation platform, I transformed these individual images into a dynamic and cohesive video format. But wait, this is not only tool that I used for my project. There is a major upheaval in AI video production, which I will cover late in this video, so stay to the end. Let's get back to how I generate videos with Runway Gen 2, where I will use feature image to video. There are some features you can use like camera motion and intensity of the motion. Always play with it and regenerate videos until you are satisfied. For this image, I want those people behind to move and also 2 characters in front to have some movements. So, for this I will use motion brush feature. Just brush those parts you want to move and again play with motion and intensity. Let's see how will this go. Here is generated video. When we click play button, we will see some minimal movement, but this is exactly what I wanted. Now, we just need to download it. Let's try with another image. For example, this image falling car from the bridge. I will use again motion brush and try to create motion of a car horizontal on the left and vertical down to create that falling effect. Well, we can see that this generated video isn't good. You can play now with motion and try again. What I will do is use demo version of Stable Video Diffusion from Stability AI. This demo version allows you to just drop your image and it will generate amazing and realistic videos. I will put link in the description. Let's see how this works. Open the link and drop here your image. You can also play with some features here, but I personally leave all as it is. And just click Run. This will take some time, but the results are amazing. See this video, how realistic it looks like. This is just demo version, and it is an introduction to new age AI video generation. If you want me to do step-by-step tutorial on how to create videos like these, let me know in the comment section. And finally, the last step is to edit video. This step involved stitching the images together, adding transitions, effects, and syncing with audio to craft a visually stunning AI-generated movie trailer. For the purposes of this video, I employed the CapCut tool for editing. Crafting the entire 60-second trailer took approximately an hour, utilizing exclusively generated videos and voices. The music and sound effects were sourced from pixabay.com. While I didn't delve into step-by-step editing in this particular video to avoid excessive length, if you'd like a detailed breakdown, feel free to request it in the comments section. Now, we're diving into an exciting topic, making money from AI-generated movies on YouTube. If you're passionate about creating innovative content and exploring the realm of artificial intelligence, you can earn pretty good amount of money. AI-generated movies are a fusion of creativity and technology. They offer a unique opportunity to showcase your imagination through machine-generated content. Whether it's sci-fi, fantasy, or drama, AI opens doors to endless possibilities in storytelling. The key to success on YouTube starts with creating compelling content. Experiment with various themes, genres, and AI tools to craft engaging movies. Unique and creative content is more likely to captivate your audience. When you set up your YouTube channel dedicated to AI-generated movies, optimize your channel with eye-catching thumbnails, engaging titles, and descriptive video descriptions. Building an attractive channel is crucial to attract viewers. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility criteria, such as having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to monetize your content through various means like ads, channel memberships, and even merchandise sales. As your channel grows, explore sponsorships and partnerships with AI-related companies or tech brands. Collaborations can offer additional revenue streams and wider exposure. Consider diversifying your revenue by offering tutorials, behind-the-scenes content, or merchandise related to AI movie making. These add-ons can attract more revenue and engagement. In conclusion, monetizing AI-generated movies on YouTube takes time and effort, but with dedication and creativity, it's absolutely possible. Keep honing your craft, stay updated with YouTube policies, and most importantly, keep creating amazing content. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others interested in AI and making money online. Subscribe to our channel to help us grow and provide more content, tutorials, and tips. Until next time, happy creating.